Hello everyone, welcome to heavycrypto. My name is Arthur. In this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can make a bot like this, a bot that will be working for you 24/7. As you can see, this bot has made over 3,600 already, and guys, it's not like we're going to get rich over time, but at least this bot is going to be working for you 24/7. And you can see right here it closed deals in small profit, just like right here it says 50 cents, $1, and etc and etc. But then at the end of the day, this bot can make at least $100 to $200 for you guys, and these are really profitable bots. So in this video we're going to try to create one using the same settings that I use to make these profits and stuff like that. I can go to another page right there. You can see that these bots always close deals in profit, just like right here. Okay, so I have a lot of these bots open, running right here. I can keep on going, and they all make money each and every time. So in this video I'm going to share my settings, and of course I have samples of these bots so that you can apply them on your 3Commas account. All right, so I'm going to leave these samples to my Telegram group. The link to my Telegram group is going to be in the description below as well. And in this video we're going to try to create a one bot on 3Commas, and of course I'm gonna try to create a new account on 3Commas, showing you how exactly you can create a new bot. As you can see, this has been an uptrend. This bot has been making money each and every time. Okay, so you can see daily they close they make at least like $100 to $200 and each and every day, just like right here. I think you're gonna take advantage of these and then create your own bots. Alright guys, so this is 3Commas right here, and then right now we're dealing with DCA bots, right? So of course, as I've said, that we're gonna create a new DCA bot, and I'm gonna show you what this all means. We're gonna go through each and every settings right here in detail in this video. And yeah guys, make sure you watch the whole video to the end so that you won't miss out anything, because most of you skip these videos and then start asking questions on my Telegram group and in the comment section below. But I hope you're gonna do the right thing this time. So right now all you need to do is to go ahead to where it's written raw accounts right here, and then you're gonna say dashboard like this. As you can see, I said that I'm gonna create a new 3Commas account, that we're gonna have to do it step by step. All right, so right now you have two accounts right here, and you can go to settings right here if you want to disable this paper account. This paper account is like some kind of paper account that you can use to test your bots and stuff like that. But other than that, we in this channel we do with real stuff. All right, so we don't need to use paper account. So we have DCA bots right here, and we have great bots, holder bots. You know what this holder mean, right? And you have options, marketplace, and stuff like that. And of course guys, you can also copy bots right here. Okay, you can also copy bots right here. As you can see, these bots have gone up to 20 have made at least 20% within 24 hours. So you can simply click this button where it's written copy, and then you can apply the same settings on your bots as well. All right, so you can see they have a bunch of bots right here and stuff like that. But in this video I want to show you my settings, reliable settings that I trust, that can make you a lot of money as well. And these bots, I mean these settings are safe. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need to do is of course to click where it's written connect to an exchange, and then right here you can see that they have a bunch of exchanges right here that you can connect to, right? So we're gonna use Binance because I think it's kind of cheap in transaction fees right now, and like I wanted to use BitGet, but then I've decided to use Binance, and because I have some money right there. Right, so you can see that we have Binance US, Binance TR, and Binance right here. So let's use the main Binance, which is Binance Global, and then right here it says connect to exchange Binance, and I'm simply gonna have to click this button right here written connect to Binance. All right, and of course we have some instructions right here, so if you don't know how to do it, you can just read some instructions right here and then get it done. So right now I have to tick the main payables of connecting to Binance right here. So you can see we have ticked the Binance Spot, Binance Margin, Binance Futures M, meaning that we can also be able to trade futures trading using 3Commas, and also we have ticked Binance Futures USDT. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add all of them like this, and it's gonna take me to this page right here. Okay, so right here it says account access 3 commas technology request to access your Binance account, and you can see a chain right here, meaning that I'll be using 3 commas to trade on Binance. Okay, I don't have to go to Binance and all that stuff. So right here all I have to do is to go ahead and click continue. Okay, so obviously I'm gonna have to add new API keys and stuff like that right here. Okay, I once added this 3 commas to this Binance, so it has automatically added, but it's the same way you add API keys. I showed you on my previous video. Right now you can see that I have my Binance account right here, and I have like $75 right here for this video and stuff like that, and I have my futures trading right here, futures account, and there's nothing in there, so it says insufficient funds. So right here you can see my Binance M coin again, and I have my Binance spot right here and my Binance cross margin here. So it's pretty much showing me all the accounts right here put together, and because of some USD in this account Binance spot, that's why it's written 75 USD right here from my Binance spot. So right here we have to create a new bot, and right here you can see recommended exchanges that you can also be able to connect to. So you can be able to connect to all these exchanges listed right here, okay, including Bybit right here. Now we have to go to where it's written DCA bots like this, and then we're gonna create a new DCA bot, dollar cost average bot. Okay, now we have to create a new bot right now, and then obviously this bot is USDT bot. As you can see, let's give it a name. Let's just say USD long bot. Okay, USD long bot, and then right here I have to select an exchange, and obviously we're using Binance right here, we're not using any other exchanges. So I'm gonna go to where's written Binance Spot Exchange because I have money on my Binance Spot Exchange. All right, now after doing this, now it's asking me, is it going to be a single pair or multiple pair? All right, a single pair simply means that we're going to be using Bitcoin USDT only. Multiple pairs is simply means saying that we're going to be using multiple pairs like Ethereum, Bitcoin, ADA against USDT. All right, so I'll show you the difference right here. Is that right here I can be able to add all the pairs and stuff like that, like this. Okay, so meaning that this bot is going to be using my US dollars to trade against all these pairs right here. But this one is kind of risky, you need, because you all know that these coins are very volatile. Okay, so in this case we're going to use a single pair like this. So right here I have to select the pair that I want to use. So let's select the BTC, okay, because you know BTC is an OG in this space. See this one, BTC USDT. This is our bot right here. Now we have to select a strategy right here. Are we gonna be longing or we're gonna be shorting? Okay, longing meaning that we're gonna be making money, or our bot is gonna be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going up, and shorting meaning that our bots will be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going down. Okay, longing, it will buy low and sell high automatically while you're sleeping or while you're doing other stuff automatically. So right now you have to choose profit currency, okay, right here this section. So you can see that we have USDT and BTC. So it simply means where do we want our profit to be in. Do you want our profit to be in USDT? Then you have to select right here. If you want our profit to be in Bitcoin, then you have to select right here base currency as Bitcoin. Okay, but in this case we want our profits to be in USDT, so we're gonna leave it at USDT like this. Base order size, the amount that this bot gonna take. So in this case let's give it 20 US dollars like this. So the type of order, is it gonna be a limit order or a market order? Okay, so I like leaving it at market order because market order guarantee you that your order is gonna get excluded immediately. All right, so if you use limit order right here, you know these cryptos are very volatile. You might miss your bot might miss your order right here. Okay, so I like leaving at market order like this. And then right here is asking deal start condition. So we don't need any condition right here, so we're just gonna leave it at trading bots as soon as possible, like this. Okay, now right here is asking us take profit percentage. What percentage do you want to take profit? In this case, I like taking profits. As you saw earlier in that video, I take profit as soon as possible, like 1% or 2% is fine, as long as I've made profits. Okay, or as long as this bot has made profit. So here you choose what percentage of your profit do you want to take. So let's say if you want to take 2%, you click 2% like this, and right here it says percentage from total volume, and yes, you have to leave it like this. And then right here, do not turn on trailing take profit. So right here we have safety orders. As you can see, we gave our bot $20, and price deviation should be 1%, meaning that if the price of Bitcoin falls down by 1%, this bot is gonna open a new order. Okay, and then max safety orders count is asking us how many orders do you want to place in order book. So in this case, we're gonna leave 5. Gonna leave at 5. Okay, but then it depends on how much capital you have. Right here you can see that if I put 10 like this, you'll see that my amount is gonna increase right here. Okay, this is the amount that this bot is gonna need for it to run. So let's so we also that I have like 75 USD that I want to test out, so I'm gonna leave like 3 right here, and then you can see that this bot is gonna use at least $81. Okay, if I put 2 right here, it's gonna use $61. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it at 2, meaning that we're gonna have 2 active orders placed on Binance. Okay, and if the price of Bitcoin falls by 1%, our bot is gonna our order is gonna get excluded and take profit by each and every 1% move to the upside. All right, because right here we said we want to take our target profit is 2%. Okay, it has to be 1% on 2% right there, because I like taking profit as soon as possible. So active orders right here, active orders, safety orders, and stuff like that is asking us how many active orders do you want to have. Right here you can just simply leave it at 1. It's okay like this. Safety order volume scale, leave it at 1. Safety order step scale, leave at 1 and as well. And here is our advanced settings. Don't put anything right here, just leave it like this. And then right now you're simply gonna go ahead and click start. Okay, and right here you can see that our bot has been turned on like this, and then we can be able to monetize as well. Now I'm gonna have to, obviously I told you that I'm gonna give you samples of these bots, because I already created these bots, and those are settings that you have to use. I'm gonna send these settings on my Telegram group as well. Now all you have to do is to click this button where it's written start a new trade as soon as possible. All right, now it's asking us do I have to start a deal? Now I have to click confirm like this, and then you can see that our deal has started and our bot is running right now. I can click stop if you want to stop it as well. And right here it's showing all the details and stuff like that, how much funds has been locked on this bot. Right here is showing $20. Our PNL already has been like, minus -0.001, because we have placed an order and it has been excluded already because we're using a market order. So you have paid at least this amount for transaction fee. And you can see it has 2 safety orders right here, being placed on Binance as well, and etc. Now I promised you that I'm gonna send you some samples to my Telegram group, so let me do that right now. Here are the samples of these bots. As you can see, if you open this file like this, it's gonna show you samples of the bots like this. So I have a lot of bots right here, same settings and stuff like that. And then we spoke about multiple pairs as well. I also have settings for that. Here is written compose USDT, and you can simply go ahead and click it and click yes. But then if you want to copy any of these bots right here, or any of these pairs, and guys, these are recommended pairs. Okay, you can also use these pairs as well. Do not use those volatile pairs. You can simply select from this list. So let's say if you want to open this TRX bot, you can simply go ahead and click like this, and then this is gonna ask you, do you want to open this link and stuff like that, you're simply gonna go ahead and click yes. Okay, and then after that you're gonna see everything sorted out like this. So all you need to do is to click this button where it says and copy like this. Okay, and right here everything has been put in place, and then all you need to do is to click this button where it's written start, and your bot is gonna start making money and trading and stuff like that. So I'll leave this file on my Telegram group. The link to our Telegram group is going to be in the description below as well. It's called Heavy Crypto. And guys, if you really want to take your trading game to another level, then I recommend you that you should go to our Telegram like this and go to pinned messages like this. Okay, so right here you'd see I have a lot of things going on. I have this Heavy Crypto Academy. This is where you can learn pretty much everything about crypto, about all these bots, about crypto arbitrage and stuff like that. I pretty much reviewed all my secret on this course, so you would learn everything, pretty much everything about crypto and stuff like that, arbitrage, remedial trading and stuff like that. It's only gonna cost you $60, and if you wanna pay with paper, you can click this button, and if you wanna pay with crypto, you can click this button right here. Okay, and guys, the most important thing is we have webinar going on right here. It's only gonna cost you $100. As you can see, you can trade live crypto arbitrage with me, ask questions, hunt for crypto arbitrage opportunities. 2 sessions each and every week, is a lifetime subscription, and you'll have access to Heavy Crypto private group. Okay, and if you want to trade futures trading well, I recommend that you should use this indicator right here. This is the indicator that I use pretty much every day to trade futures trading. Okay, you have seen I've been making profits using these indicators and stuff like that, so I recommend you guys to give it a try. It's very good indicator. This is what I use, okay, for all these gains. And guys, I've been posting about trades and stuff like that, speaking about my $300,000 long position that I've opened on Bybit. So I'll be making these kind of videos telling you what I think the price of Bitcoin is gonna do next and stuff like that, my prediction based on my trades and stuff like that. So if you're a day trader, I recommend that you should be watching these videos. It's really helpful. As you can see, I've been killing it and stuff like that, so I'll be updating each and every one of you each and every day about Bitcoin and stuff like that. So make sure you subscribe there and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm if you want more videos like these ones. We're on the road to 10K right now. I thank each and every one of you for supporting the channel as well. My name is Heavy Crypto. Therefore, I'll see you in another video. Love and peace, my friends.